crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and thanks for giving me just a few minutes this morning to talk about something awesome. It is my monthly subscription to Tula Pink. So if you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome. Thanks for being here. Hopefully you've hit that subscribe button. If not, please do so. And if you are a current subscriber, you know that Tula Pink I have a big fondness for in my heart. And I discovered Island Quilter a few months ago and have since signed up for their monthly subscription club. It does feel like much longer than a month, so they may have taken a month or two off. But anyways, this is what is considered my monthly subscription. You can Google Island Quilter. They're based up in Vaughn, Washington. They actually have several clubs, though. I belong to the Tula Pink Club. They have a K Facet Club. They have a few others I know as well. I think a Petite Club. But I am members of the Tula Pink. And the last time I opened this, the first thing that popped out was a big owl. So typically I get 5 half-yard cuts, I think, of fabric. They always they so far have not disappointed me. I have canceled and tried to stay away from subscriptions because, number one, I'm just building too big a stash and not going through it fast enough. I shop much faster than I sew. And at the same time, I just needed to kind of cut back on expenses. But this is the club that I have chosen to stay with and will stay with. And look, I mean, how beautiful. As soon as you open it up, you see these bright lime green, purple, pink, orange. I mean, again, guys, it's Tula Pink. So what is there not to love about Tula, right? So this looks to be all fat quarters. No, yeah, it's half yards. I'm almost sure. Cuts this month. I unfortunately am not as good as Russ, who can tell you exactly what collection this is from. Give me just one second because it is down here. This is from Tabby Road collection. So a half yard cut of Tabby Road to now go into the Tula Pink Hidden Vault is what we'll call it. I have 3 dresser drawers full of Tula Pink. So, but we're going to start calling it the Hidden Vault. I know there are some out there that would like to see it. This is from the Roar collection. And I don't believe I actually have any of that. So that is cool. I absolutely love this fabric. And this is from, oh my gosh, it's not on here. Untamed. I knew. I just don't have the memory for fabrics and designers like others do. This is from the Untamed collection. And then I think I just ordered some of this not too long ago. This is also from the Untamed collection. I call it Teardrops, right? Look how beautiful that is. And of course, her colors are so vibrant, so pretty. And then this one is from True Colors and all of that lime green. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 half-yard cuts. I think the subscription with shipping's $30, $35. I am not sponsored. I write and pay for my subscriptions just like any of you would do. I don't have a discount code to give you. I would ask if you do sign up as a are interested in looking at a subscription with them that you would mention that you heard about them on Guys Craft 2. I do appreciate that, but I get nothing for that. I get no recognition, no bounce back, no kickback, nothing. I am not an affiliate. As far as I know, they don't have affiliates, and like I said, I pay for everything. I enjoy the subscription because I love to touch, feel, and see new Tula Pink. And part of what I know they do as a distributor for Tula Pink is some month I'll get older collections like the Untamed in that. Other months you might get something. Could be from the Grey Wolf, right? The Grey Works collection that she just came out with. You never know. So I never have an idea of what the 5 half-yard cuts will be. I'll be honest, I was kind of hoping that I would get some more of the older collections because I have obviously the newer collections, but I just started with Tula about a year ago. So I have a long way to go to really build my stash and collection when it comes to Tula. At the same time, I do have 3 dresser drawers, and I'm talking about big dresser drawers, not those little tiny ones, full of Tula Pink. And I'm starting to do more. I actually have a Tula quilt that is finally off my long arm, and I hope to get that binded and hopefully have that ready to show you all maybe this weekend. So guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your morning. I hope you all have an amazing pre-weekend day. This is posting on Friday morning, so I hope that things are going your way. I hope you are ready for an amazing upcoming weekend, and I appreciate you dropping in and giving me just a few minutes. And as always, guys, until next time, happy crafting!